Can you imagine living right next to a park? Well, I found a house that's right next to all this. This house is located right next to Fairdale Park. It is 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and over 2,300 square feet. Let's go look at the house. Hi, my name's Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing at 1900 East 15th in Casper, Wyoming. This home is located on a corner lot and was remodeled several years ago. Let's go look around. I'm not even sure where to start, but let's start in the living room. This living room is open to the dining and the kitchen. Nice open floor plan. There is hardwood floors that have been refinished in the last few years, except in the kitchen. There's travertine tile on the kitchen floor and the backsplash. I absolutely love this eating bar, and there's really a lot of counter space and a lot of cabinetry, which makes it the perfect place for you to store all of your kitchen essentials. A lot of you give me the requirement that you want a gas stovetop. Well, here it is, and it matches the rest of the appliances, and that farm sink is a single basin, which is another thing people highly request. One of the things you're gonna see throughout this home is the storage. There's some built-in storage in the hallway. There are 3 bedrooms and a upgraded bathroom. In this home, the master is downstairs. This master bedroom and another bedroom down here has an egress window. There's a walk-in closet, and look at this master bath. Isn't it amazing? Not only is there a jet tub, a corner shower, tile everywhere, it's nice and spacious. This basement has just as much square footage as the upstairs, with this second living area, another bedroom, a bathroom, and a laundry room. Now, the laundry room does have an egress window, so if you had to use it as a bedroom, you could, and put the washer and dryer in the hall bathroom. This room has a locked code, so this could be a hobby room, a gun room, anything like that where you wanted your stuff locked away. A couple more things I want to tell you. This home has a newer metal roof and is by an alley. I'd love to show you this home. This is located in Central Casper. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.